Safety rules on the internet.
Dear children, welcome to the session on safety rules on the internet. The objective of this video is to educate you on key internet safety rules to be followed while using the internet. We will give you some basic information on reporting inappropriate content, obtaining parental consent before installing software, and verifying online information. Let's begin.
John, there is a surprise for you.
What is it, Mom?
It is your grandpa's computer. He came a few hours back with this and asked me to give it to you.
Wow, now I can play.
No, not just playing. You can use it to learn, browse, paint, and much more.
Yay.
There are certain rules you have to follow. Otherwise, I will send this computer back to your grandpa only.
Oh no, what rules, Mom?
You can play games only during weekends. You should not use the computer past 9 p.m. You get only 30 minutes of screen time per day. Is that a deal?
Oh, deal!
Also, do not click on random links while browsing, because clicking on these links could infect your computer with viruses and harmful programs.
Okay, Mom, I will be careful.
Always ask my permission or your dad's before you install any application or software. Open only the websites you are allowed to access, because information on some may not be appropriate for you. You might feel uneasy or disturbed by it. Tell me right away if you come across one.
Sure.
Don't trust all the information that you find on the internet. Always cross-check it with elders or teachers.
Oh. I didn't know there would be false information as well.
Yes, dear. You cannot believe everything there. Now go give a call to your grandpa and say you received the present.
Yes. Let me quickly take a shower and I will go meet him.
Safety rules. Do not click on random links while browsing. Always ask permission from your parents or teachers before you install any application or software. Inform your parents or teachers right away if you come across any disturbing content. Don't trust all the information that you find on the internet. Always cross-check it with elders or teachers.
Remember, staying safe online is as important as staying safe in the real world. By learning and practicing good cybersecurity habits, you can protect yourself and have more fun exploring the digital world